this video, you can learn how to create email autoresponder in Godaddy cPanel. If this is your first time viewing my video, please subscribe to my channel and click bell icon to get video updates when new content is added. Log into your Godaddy hosting account. Click Manage tab under Web Hosting section and again click cPanel Admin to go to cPanel Settings page. In cPanel Settings page, scroll down to Email section and click Autoresponder option. Click Add Autoresponder tab. Here, we need to configure certain settings and fields. First is the character set. If you need an international character set, you can choose from the list of character set. But otherwise, let the default UTF-8 to stay as it is, the standard character set. Second field is the interval. It is the interval in which an email response is sent to the same email ID in a specified period. Say, for example, Mr. A sends 2 emails in a span of 2 hours. Then, the autoresponder sends a response for the second email after 24 hours of receiving it. Add the email user for which the autoresponder will be applied, and next field, select the domain name for the email. In the From field, you need to enter the name of the person, you or your staff. Next field, enter the subject. Like if you are not available in office, you can say I am on vacation, or if it's a sales autoresponder, you can say thank you for purchases. If your body text contains HTML code like heading, line breaks, or paragraph, you can check it, or if not, then leave it as is. Enter your main content for the autoresponder in the body container. When you enter the body content, you can enter the tags that you see here above to incorporate it in the body container. From text in between percentage signs refers to the sender's name in the email we received, where autoresponder is applied. Email ID in between percentage signs refers to the email of the sender, and subject in between the percentage signs is the subject that's mentioned by the sender. This is how a simple autoresponder looks like. By default, the autoresponder kicks in the moment we save the changes and never to end. We can add a time frame, a start date and end date. We can change the start and end date for the autoresponder here. Once finished with finalizing the autoresponder content, we can create autoresponder. We can test and verify the autoresponder if it is working by sending an email message to the email to which autoresponder is applied. And the autoresponder is working just fine. I hope you liked watching this video tutorial. With this, we come to the end of this video. Please subscribe and click the bell icon, like and comment on the video if you found it helpful. Thank you.